driving down the highway, listening to some Troy.
This is depressing.
We just bought out a whole store, every mall, ever.
What the fuck?
Let's just stand. What the fuck?
Dude, we should go there and eat dinner.
It says turn right onto East Harry.
Harry, lady.
Who's that lady?
Now what?
Harry, lady. Ah!
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
I hope someone saw that. She saw it. I do a really good designer impression.
Do it.
Let's go. Let's go.
We slide, ladies and gents. WWE. Of our faves. John Cena. Are you sure about that? I am sure.
I'm guessing we turn right.
Left.
Oh. What?
Yeah,
Are you
there's
sure?
a left.
Are you sure we turn left?
Yeah.
I thought it was a right turn.
No, there.
Illuminati confirmed.
Oh. I can't read. And we're back. Are you sure? Hey, look, wrinkling hand again.
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van.